Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Halloween Happy, where Halloween is more than just once a year. If you're new here, my name is Sam. In today's video, I have another clothing haul, and you guys seem to really like my last clothing try-on haul, so we're gonna do another one, but I have to be honest, I'm kind of scared about these clothes not working out. So recently, I saw an ad on Facebook of Dolls Kill. I know, some people like them, some people don't. I know. But I saw, like, I think it was a skeleton fuzzy jacket, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. That would look so cute as like a bigger oversized jacket. Let me look into this. And they had a few things, and I decided to purchase them and see if I liked them. The thing about it is I like shopping, but I don't like shopping. And what I mean by that is if I could find clothes that fit me or that I felt comfortable in, I would love shopping. I used to really love shopping, and maybe it's a good thing that I don't do it very often clothes-wise, because my wallet probably appreciates it, but I need some new fall, Halloween, October outfits to wear. Hopefully we'll be more motivated, inspired to go outside and be around people. Maybe it will make my time more enjoyable. Who knows? I could be lying to myself. With ordering things online, I just never know. Like, my measurements are all over the place. My measurements don't even line up on the size chart. Do you know what I mean? Like, where it says if you're in this size frame with this kind of bust and this kind of waist and this kind of hips, get this size. And no, I'm like one size up here, one size down here, one size all the way over here on the chart, and you can't figure out what size to order. So it's very difficult, very frustrating at times, and just kind of a waste of time, a waste of money in my opinion. But I wanted to try some new things to share with you guys because I'm trying to get out of my box, and maybe this could be a thing that I do on my channel. I don't know. Don't hold me to it, okay? Who knows? Maybe after Halloween I will disappear. I don't know. That leads me to, I was, taking out the packages out of the box, and I'm a little worried. Like, when you see something, you're like, oh my God, that looks humongous. And then you put it on and you're like, this doesn't fit. So I had no idea what sizes to order. Like, my brain just can't comprehend. You know how they have like small, medium, large, they'll do extra large, 2X, but then it goes to plus size and it's XL, 2X, 3X, so on. But where does that all fit in? Because a 2X in a normal size is not the same as like an extra large and plus size. I could be wrong, but I don't think I am. I had no idea what sizes to order. And you try to look at the picture to see like, okay, this model kind of looks like my frame, kind of looks like my height, maybe my weight. Let me see what the model wears. And it's always like they wear a small. And I'm like, okay, but I don't think that's true. So yeah, we're gonna see how this goes, and I might have to return these clothes, but yeah. So learn from my mistake, because a lot of you guys had questions from the Hot Topic haul about what sizes to get because they were out of the majority of the sizes. And it's always the bigger sizes, plus sizes that go fast. So you gotta get them when you can. Most of us are those sizes, so that's why they go really fast. But I don't even know why they don't just make triple of those sizes, like triple of the quantity. All right, but before we get stressed out with the clothes, I did get a bag, and that's always a safe purchase, right? Is a bag. Not that I needed any more Halloween bags. I don't even know why I got this. I think I got it because I was like, oh, it's a backpack. Maybe this will be more comfortable to wear. But the straps are kind of thin, and so I think it's probably not going to be as comfortable as I thought. But I saw this fuzzy jack-o'-lantern backpack on the website. Just your average bag with a jack-o'-lantern face on it. Love the fuzzy material. I will link all of the items shown in this video down below. So this is what it looks like up close. And this is what the straps look like. I kind of wish that they doubled on the width of these. Okay, I actually think this is gonna work out better than I initially thought. I mean, hopefully this will be a little bit easier to carry around. So I found this shirt and they also had it in the small, like I don't even know what you call it, the average size, but then they also had it in the plus size, and I went ahead and grabbed this in a 2X plus size, and I always forget, like, I think I should have gotten this in probably an extra large. It says a mood guide to jack-o'-lanterns, and it has all of these different jack-o'-lanterns on here. It says hungover. This one says bitchy. This one says sickening, thirsty, devious, wholesome, shook. I'm shook with this haul. It literally goes all the way down to my knees. So it's probably going to be a night shirt, maybe a shirt that I can wear with some like biking shorts underneath and put on some sneakers, maybe a jacket, and wear it as a shirt dress. And it might not even be that bad once I try it on, you know? This is what it looks like, just me holding it up. The fit would be like a night shirt since I ordered a 2X. Oh yeah, this is like the perfect like pajama shirt, but I didn't want to get it as I didn't want to get it for the purpose of a pajama shirt, but that's okay. So I think I'm probably gonna think about this one, but I really liked the design of this. So I went ahead and took the paper out of it, so it's probably gonna look sad. So this is what it looks like with the straps. I mean, I guess the thin straps aren't so bad because you can move your arms. And that's not gonna be such a hassle. Okay, I'd probably wear it even lower. And this is what it looks like on the inside, so you guys can see. All right, so this next item is a sweatshirt, and it has a collar attached to it, which I'm kind of like, why did I get this? Because I know what's gonna happen once I wash this. So it's this gray sweatshirt. Love that, love the sweatshirt. And as you can see, it says, ugh, as if. Clueless is my favorite movie. I love it so much. So I saw this and immediately was like, I need it. Don't need it, but I want it. Little jewels on it, and it says 95. These are also little jewels. It has a cell phone that's embroidered, which I thought was really cute. Yeah, I thought this looked really cute on the model. I was like, yeah, I can totally see myself wearing that. And my favorite thing is that it has the collar. I'm not sure how I feel about this because I feel like immediately once I wash it, it's gonna get so dingy just because the color of the sweatshirt. So I didn't really think about that. And normally I do try to stay away from white because it just gets dingy so fast. Like, I don't know what the trick is. I can only get away with wearing a white shirt once because after that it's so dingy. This was in a 1X, and here's what the sweatshirt looks like with just me holding it up against myself. It's pretty soft on the inside. Love, love, love this collar. Just sad that it's gonna get dingy. Cute. So if I don't have it like kind of tucked up, it's right about here on my legs, as you can see. Pretty slouchy in the arms. This fits better than I thought it would. That's what I could do if the collar does get dingy, and I can always just remove it. Got a backup plan. We got options. Love that. So gonna give this a thumbs up. All right, next item. I really wasn't sure what size to get. Grabbed this one in a 2X, and I believe it was like the plus size 2X, if that makes sense. A black faded jean jacket. I'm a big fan of a jean jacket. It has the skeleton rib cage, and on the arms it has the skeleton bones, as you can see. So cute, right? They had a pair of jeans in this. Well, let me relax because I don't even know if I'm gonna get these sizes correct, and we'll see how it goes with trying it on. Wish me luck. Heads up though, if you do end up getting this jacket, be careful when you unbutton the buttons because the holes are pretty tight. So you got to be careful when you get out the buttons because you might accidentally loosen them. I feel like some of them are a little wobbly now, but I had to cut a slit in this one a little bit because it was just too tight. So this is what it looks like with me just holding it up. Normally in my jackets I get an XL, and I've gotten them from like Target and such, but I'm pretty happy with this fit. Oh, I was about to panic. I was like, do we not have pockets? You can definitely button it up if you want. Plenty of room in the arms. I think it's really cute, and I'm glad that I got this. All right, giving this a thumbs up. This is a good purchase. Okay, so the item that started this nonsense, okay? I wish me luck on trying this because this was the whole reason we are here, is for this. Pretty much the same as the denim jacket, which I'm just now realizing I should have paid attention to that, but it's fine. The Sherpa oversized black jacket, rib cage, it has the arms. This is what it looks like on the back. I thought it was so cute. You can wear it like as a dress. It'd be so cute to wear like thigh highs and some boots, put a little beanie on. Perfection. We'll see how it goes when I try it on. I just thought it would be cozy. And so it's Sherpa on the outside, and then it's like the almost like a windbreaker on the inside. But hopefully it works out, and if not, I will just return this. Last item is this Sherpa jacket, the main reason why I'm here in this situation. This is the one I'm kind of questioning. My first thoughts are, I kind of feel like it's like pretty oversized, which I did want it to be loose and comfortable, but it might be a little too oversized. I kind of feel like it's big, like a fur jacket, and I don't know how I feel about that. It's definitely not the softest Sherpa, so don't be thinking you're gonna get like super soft, cozy vibes. It could be a little scratchy, and probably the longer you have it, I'm imagining it'll be a little more scratchy, but I do like this jacket. I'm already burning up in it, to be honest. It has a good zipper, like a good sized zipper. So you could also just wear it closed. I don't know. I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think about this one. I feel like I should probably size down, but maybe not. Because it's like once you get stuff on underneath this, you know, it might work. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna think about it, see if maybe I'll get a different size. But it is a cute jacket, so if you get the right size that works for you, it's really, really cute. I think if I return anything, it will probably be, we'll see. I'm still undecided about this jacket. I just hate returning things, you know, it's just like such a pain, but I'm gonna see. I could make this work, but I really don't want to make it work. I'd rather get a smaller size on this one. Love the denim jacket. I'm really glad that I got that. Sweatshirt, definitely keeping that one. I love it, super comfy, but it'll probably be like a dress shirt or a night shirt. But it's so cute. I kind of want to like, I don't know. I'm like, I want to order a smaller one just a little bit so I can wear it with like a skirt. We'll see. But anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this try on haul. Thank you so much for joining, and don't forget to like this video on your way out. Thanks for watching this video. I love you. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.